Salut tout le monde.
Welcome back to French Circles. Hi everyone. Today, we're going to talk about,
Les verbes attributifs.
also called linking verbs in French. These verbs don't describe an action, instead, they connect the subject to a quality, a state, or an identity. What is a linking verb? A linking verb links the subject to an attribute, which tells us something about the subject, not about what they do, but what they are or seem to be. Structure: subject plus linking verb plus attribute of the subject. Example:
Paul est gentil.
Paul is kind. The verb to be connects Paul to kind. The main linking verbs in French. Here are the most common attributive verbs you need to know.
Être.
To be.
Marie est heureuse.
Marie is happy.
Paraître.
To appear.
Elle paraît fatiguée.
She appears tired.
Devenir.
To become.
Il devient médecin.
He becomes a doctor.
Rester.
To remain, stay.
Il reste calme.
They stay calm.
Avoir l'air.
To seem, to look.
Tu as l'air content.
You look happy.
Sembler.
To seem.
Cela semble difficile.
That seems difficult.
Passer pour.
To be considered as.
Il passe pour un héros.
He's considered a hero.
Demeurer.
To remain.
Elle demeure tranquille.
She remains calm. How to recognize a linking verb. Here's a simple trick to recognize a linking verb. If you can replace the verb with
Être.
and the sentence still makes sense, it's probably a linking verb. Example:
Devenir. Il devient furieux. Il est furieux.
makes sense, it is a linking verb.
Manger. Il mange furieux. Il est furieux.
Doesn't make sense, it is not a linking verb. A linking verb connects the subject to a state, quality, or identity. Example:
Elle est médecin.
she is a doctor. An action verb describes an action. Example:
Elle travaille comme médecin.
she works as a doctor. So remember, linking verbs don't show action, they describe the subject. Think of them as a bridge between the subject and a description.
Merci et à bientôt.
If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.